Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today the 23rd of November, and today we will continue to track the euro currency. Well, yesterday we have discussed the possibility of the Jordan Apple bread and butter trade on the daily time frame. So this was the nice sell-off. Market has reached the meaningful Fibonacci resistance area. That was the context for the bread and butter. And the target of the bread and butter, 618 support from the whole back move from this low to this high. 618 support around 135.80. This was the target. Market has accomplished it. So market has done well. I suppose that you had made some pips during this trade because this was very nice and very clear pattern on the daily time frame. Okay, let's see where we are now. First of all, couple of important moments. Market has shown nice sell-off and has shown very shallow retracement, just 382, not even 618. This is the bearish sign. Also, taking out this nice bearish engulfing pattern from which the bread and butter has started. Also, yesterday the market has closed below the weekly pivot point. This is blue dash line around 136.21 and almost reached the weekly pivot support one around 134.94. So these facts makes me think that market can continue further move to the downside, and the next target to the downside will be, look at this pattern, A, B, C tap, 618 expansion, 132.71. This, as you remember, weekly confluence support around 132.50, 133.77, and this target just coincide with this area of support. Also, this is the target from the daily butterfly. Here it is, 1618 from this low to this high, butterfly buy. So possibly market can reach this area in the medium term. I don't think that it could happen during current week because it will be a short week due to Thanksgiving. Well, at the same time, in the short term, this area is what we have to watch for. This is 134.94 weekly pivot support 1. So for more details, we need to shift to the lower time frame on the 4-hour hourly chart. This is the hourly chart of EURUSD. What we have. First of all, I want to attract your attention to this fact. This was, if you will take a look at the 30-minute chart, this was very excellent pattern. This was wash and rinse of the previous highs, and simultaneously this was the excellent bearish engulfing. This is what I am talking about almost every time when I show you some important levels. I also talk about the look how the market responds in these areas. Look for some sell signals. So what could be? This could be the railroad tracks, bearish engulfing patterns. Maybe this could be the even double repo on the 50-minute chart, something. Also take a look at these flat tops. It means that there were a very solid supply in this area, because the highs of these tops is almost the same. It's important when the market has shown the wash and rinse and almost the bearish engulfing and shift trend to the bearish. It not even was the MACD predictive failure. This was the excellent signal to the downside. So we can enter on the retracement in this bread and butter. This was my entry around this area, although I have entered not on the retracement, on the black candle on the 30-minute chart. When it started developing to the downside, I enter also in this area during the yesterday trade. So now, what is important during the current day? First of all, we should look at this area of resistance that was the support previously. This is weekly pivot point and hourly confluence resistance 136.10, 136.12, just above the market 136.24, 38 Fibonacci resistance from this high to this low. Also take a note that market has started to forming MACD predictive failures, stop grabbers, as Jordan Napoli called these patterns, when the trend shift to bearish, but to the closing of the bars doesn't confirm it. So this is the sign of weakness, and possibly market can start showing some retracement to the upside. I think that if this retracement will be gradual, that's important, and market will reach this area of resistance, that what I personally will be watching for during current trading session. Then we can drop your time frames to the 15-minute chart, to the 5-minute chart, if it will be some double repo sales, or maybe even head and shoulders on the 5-minute charts in this area. This will be the signal for the possible enter on the short side of the market, with the target at least weekly pivot support 134.94. Also, this, as you can see from this A, B, C tab, 618 target around 135. Although this BC looks very shallow, in general I prefer to see the deeper retracement to point the C, as marked this top as C point. This is in general, you can see that it's almost a single leg to the downside, but nonetheless this is the target on this point. This is the level that you should watch for during the current trading session. That being said, I suppose that market can show some deeper move to the downside, but at the same time it can show the ABCD retracement instead of just AB retracement like currently on the daily time frame. There are just one warnings to you: if market will move above the weekly pivot point 136.21 and close about after the end of the day, don't be short. It means that market can show the deeper retracement on the daily time frame. If market will show some signs of weakness in this area, so you can enter on the short side, just be sure that market not just blasted through this area. So it should be the gradual move. Maybe you even find some A, B, C, Ds that makes an agreement with this area on the lower time frames. That's it. So you can enter on the short side with stops somewhere above this area, maybe 136.50, or above some minor Fibonacci resistance 136.70, with the target at least 134.94, the weekly pivot support 1. Well, but be careful, because market will be very thin during tomorrow trading session on the eve of the Thanksgiving Day.